today, guys, is the day we're gonna make fresh salmon using fresh salmon cuts, not frozen. You can choose to use frozen or fresh, but I would prefer fresh if you want that good, flaky, juicy tenderness. Okay, tune in to the rest of the video. So I went ahead and washed and rinsed my salmon cuts that I purchased from Costco. They were fresh, and I went ahead and put the slits on the side of them. So for our filling mixture, we're gonna add some cream cheese, some mozzarella cheese, some Parmesan, some fresh spinach. You can use frozen if you wish, some garlic, onion, and a little bit of our seasoning mixture that will be in the description box below. Mix that up very well. At this point, we have our pizza salmon that's seasoned. The other pieces that you see on your left side or your right side will be seasoned a little later. I'm just doing one piece at a time to make sure that you guys are getting my fullest attention, okay? So I went ahead and started filling my salmon cuts. I'm doing one at a time. I'm gonna place them on a baking sheet so that way, you know, I have some cleanness going on. So go ahead and fill your salmon cuts. Do that first before we start searing, so that way you don't have to keep going back and forth. In your skillet, go ahead and add oil and butter. Let that heat up for a few minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our salmon to sear them on both sides, and then we'll place them in the oven. Cook your salmon until it's brown on each side. Don't fully cook it because we're gonna fully cook it in the oven, just to have a brown color. That way you'll know, hey, it's time to take them out. Periodically, go ahead and baste your salmon with your oil and butter sauce just to keep it moist. Keep an eye on your salmon to ensure it doesn't get burned. Look at that nice golden brown crust on that salmon. Now that's the kind of searing you need for your salmon. Go ahead and cook that for a few more minutes on the other side. Put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. And voila! You have a beautiful and tasty stuffed salmon. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you all next time.